Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist. And I got this question this morning. It's a little bit simple of a question, but it really spurred me to think about ideas that I can share with you in this context. The question was, Teddy, I now have 30 connections on LinkedIn. What next? So I have an answer, but I want to really position the answer so that it helps this person who asked me the question and others. So let's talk about this. He's got 30 connections on LinkedIn. What next? Well, my simple answer is keep going. I mean, it's a great step forward. Keep going. So here's a few thoughts. Number one is you only have 30 connections. You know way more than 30 people. What I would encourage you to do is keep connecting with people that you know personally. Your peers, the people you work with, the people you worked with, your friends, your family, your neighbors, your barista. Keep looking for people on LinkedIn who you know very, very well and connect with them. That is the core place to start to move past 30 to some other number. So here's the next step. The next step is to start connecting with people that you meet along the way. So connect with people you meet at networking events. Connect with people who are on virtual meetings that you're on. Connect with people who you've collected their business cards over the years because you've met them in places that are relevant to you and relevant to them. So keep connecting with people that you meet along the journey, whatever that journey is, your business, your career, or job search, or even college, your frat buddies, people you went to school with, et cetera, et cetera. Then here's the next thing to look at. Look for people who are relevant to your goals. I call these your target audience. Now, if you're in business, look for the target audience who has a need for what your business does. If you're in career search, look for people who are relevant to your career steps. Maybe the next hiring manager or business owner or department head who, again, is relevant to your career goals or your business goals. Okay, so the next person or group of people you want to start connecting with is what's called your target audience. Now, these are people who are relevant to your career goals, your business goals, or your business. People who you want to connect with who can help you move forward, again, either in your career or your business. That might be an ideal client, might be a hiring manager or a business owner or a recruiter. Or, again, whoever this target audience is, you need to look for these people and then find ways to get introduced to them. So you keep growing your LinkedIn network, including your target audience. Now, the next group of people you'll look for is called influencers. Now, these are people that you either know or could get to know and then connect with on LinkedIn who may be able to introduce you to your target audience. So sometimes I refer to these as people who play in the sandbox with different toys. Find these influencers, get introduced to them, connect with them, whatever the right way is, so that they can then introduce you to your target audience. Now, here's another area of connecting on LinkedIn as you grow past 30 to some other number, is you want to connect with people who you can help. Now, it's called networking for mutual benefit. If the only person you connect with day in and day out are people who can buy your widget or hire you or whatever, you're missing out on the ability to grow really rich connections and relationships. And the one way you can do that is to help other people. Now, you're not going to go look for these folks, but you're going to be willing to entertain connecting with people who need your help when they send you an invite. So be willing to make those connections as well. They'll pay dividends in the long run. They'll pay really good dividends as you help others. Now, here's someone else you want to connect with as you, again, grow past 30 to some other number, and that is people that you can learn from. Now, what I do is because I listen to podcasts, I watch YouTube videos, I read books, I read articles, et cetera, I find people who have ideas and content that can help me. I consume their content, and then I'll send them a LinkedIn invite and say, hey, I listened to the podcast where you were interviewed, read your book, read your article or whatever, and I was really intrigued and would like to connect with you on LinkedIn. So connect with people you can learn from. That's a huge part of networking as well. So let's talk about process. The process is connect with someone new every single day of your life. Now, maybe you're not going to do every day of your life, but what you want to do is you want to continuously be connecting. Continuously connect with people you meet, you know, you have conversations with, people you learn from, people you get introduced to, etc., etc., etc. Because 30 is not the right number. So let's talk about what the right number is. The right number is, there is no right number. The answer to how many people I should connect with is this: keep connecting. And the reason why I tell you to keep connecting is this: the next connection could be the best connection ever. And you'll never know that unless you keep connecting. So come up with a process. I refer to it as connect with someone new every day. Maybe for you it's connect with 10 people a week. I don't know. Early on, if you only have 30, I would think 50 or 60 a week is not unreal. Meaningful, relevant connections. And keep doing it, because you never know, that next connection could be the most rewarding ever. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist, and I hope this helps you grow a rich LinkedIn network.